Today we're going to show you how to use Clever. Clever is a really important tool, especially after the pandemic, and it's easy to log in through the district's program like Seesaw and Schoology and iReady, and a lot of other things that teachers can use to help students. So the best way to get in is through mentorschools.net. Obviously, there are other ways to get in, but once you type in mentorschools.net, you can click this blue icon with the C, and it's going to take you to a Clever login where you sign in with your Google ID and password. Mine's already in here. However, you might have to put in your full email and password, and then it will grant you access to a screen that looks like this. The best way is if you're already synced to your Google account on Chrome, you can just go and click here. It'll take you to the Clever login. You'll sign in, and you'll be in the program.
This is the main page of Clever, and there's 5 categories here. At the top, you have teacher pages, which is like a page for every teacher. They can put whatever they want onto their page. You can personalize it for your class. Immediately under that, you have K through 12 student resources, which is for students in kindergarten for 12th grade, K through 12, pretty simple. And then under that, you have 6 through 12, which is the same thing, a little more advanced for 6th graders to 12th graders. Under that, you have staff resources. For if your teacher wants to use the app, but they don't want to have a Clever page, they can just put it in staff. You can put in staff resources, and that's in there. And then you have other applications like Sora, which is in there. So if you have something like a Mentor Public Library card, you can put that in there and use it to do this.
Okay, so teacher pages are going to be more important for teachers and other administrators. So right here we have 4 different pages. Typically, teachers will put in Zoom links, which we've had to do for the last year. And if you go here, they'll have them for all their classes. But teachers can really use this to help engage their students, especially if they're online. Definitely use Clever to, your fullest potential, and it'll be a lot easier for students. Quizlets are a good idea to add on the page. You can add different study guide materials, different Kahoots, all sort of things. There are some more things that we can do in Clever that helps make it easier.
You can favorite resources. You go up there, click the little heart, and it creates a new line that's your favorite resources. And it adds it right up at the top, so it's easy to access. The things you put in there are probably things you'll use every single day, like Schoology, Infinite Campus. If you use Play Pause It all the time, you might want to put that in there. So that you can put things right at the top of your page where they're easy to access. You don't have to look for them.
This has been IT Under 3. Go to Mentor Public Schools IT department page if you have any further questions.